Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Today is Tuesday, February 25th, 2020. Our solar wind speeds coming in at 346.6 kilometers per second with a density of 2.2. So solar wind speeds are back to moderate and low. Our sun is blank once again. That's now 23 days in a row without sunspots, 39 for 2020, giving us a grand total of 70% of the year so far without sunspots, definitely still in minimum conditions. Taking a look at what we have to come on our start, well, there's that region that I was talking about last night. Still not anywhere near the eastern limb, but the southern latitude of 30 degrees is definitely faded a little bit from last night's broadcast, but the one in the northern section still holding intact. We'll see if that is a sunspot or not. Couple of days away from the eastern limb, maybe 2.5, 3 days before we'll find out for sure. We'll get a good look at it on the SDO as it turns earth facing. KP indices are still at a 1 with a 24-hour max of a 2. Our TCI is at a 3.82. We had some higher solar wind speeds, and it's my belief that when our magnetic field is bombarded with high solar winds and highly charged particles, it does somewhat heat up the very top of the atmosphere. Now, 3.82 is still very cold. Don't get me wrong. But we do see these slight increases when we see solar wind speeds in the 400s or higher. And as we drop into the low 300s, we'll start to see the TCI fall down to around 3 or lower even. Remember, the record number is 2.05. So we are still quite a ways from that, but the year is still young, should I say. All right, let's go ahead and jump on over and take a look at some weather for today over there for our friends in the UK. And right now we are dealing with some showers all over the place. Taking a look at Ireland, Western Islands, snow and rain mixing in. Same story for northern Scotland as well. They are dealing with showers and rain. The UK, Wales, England, London, snow showers and rain mixing in. So a brisk, cold day. Some snow, heavy snow above Denmark. Denmark's getting pummeled with some rain showers right now. France getting some rain across Germany. Also getting some rain near Czechia and other parts of Europe, but just spotty stuff, nothing too crazy, nothing too heavy at this time. Let's go ahead and take a look at our UK weather outlook for us here. And for today, an unsettled day with a mixture of clear sky, sun and showers. Showers will be heavy at times, with northern and western UK seeing the heaviest and most frequent showers. Windy, especially in the southwestern UK, feeling cold. Tonight, cold with clear skies and wintry showers later. They will be heavy at times and frequent in the west. Icy patches likely where showers fall. Windy, especially in the southwestern UK. And Wednesday, another cold and breezy, fairly unsettled day with clear skies, sunny skies, I should say, and wintry showers mixed off and on. Heaviest and most frequent showers in the northwest, while some parts see fewer showers than today. And like I said, the temperature is definitely looking a bit back and forth over here. Nonetheless, we are seeing some raw, cloudy, rainy, snowy type of weather, and it looks like that will persist here. That's going to be the schedule for you guys for the next couple of days. Now let's take a look at the lower 48. We've got rain on the East Coast, as if we need any more for South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina. DC will be getting showers as well. Up New York City, Cincinnati, Ohio, into eastern Ohio. Northeastern Kentucky, snow showers back behind us. South Dakota, hello Sam. And Matt out there in Nebraska also seeing some snow showers. Rain moving across Amarillo, and Oklahoma City is just now entering some rain showers as we speak. Snow in Toronto and parts of Detroit. Well, watch out. And I say that because you might be getting the biggest snowstorm of the year in Detroit. And now let's get into that here first. We'll take a look at our weather stats before we take a look at our GFS for the day. Wind chills so far for the lower 48. Okay, I'll get that out. There we go. All right, so it's pretty cold in the Northwest. Across the four quarter states, Colorado, very cold. Wyoming, the Dakotas, looking at wind chills in the teens. Other than that, pretty mild as far as wind chills are concerned for late February for the Ohio Valley, Indiana, Illinois. Parts of the Northeast also not feeling too hateful outside at this current moment. Let's take a look at the frost freeze line. Well, the South staying pretty mild. Winter is staying up to the Ohio Valley up northwards. Same with the Northern Plains, the Great Lakes, and the Northwest. The four corner states also getting that freezing cold, but if you live in the South, as you can see here, it's going to be mild enough. We don't have to worry about anything freezing today if it falls. High temperatures across the United States, well, looking like this. Warm across the South. Those of you down in Mardi Gras, it looks like decent weather as far as temperatures go, but still cloudy. Nice and hot down in Florida, probably close to the 80s for you guys. 70s along the East Coast, maybe flirting with a couple of 80s. And you see that yellow mild line up above here, folks. That is going to be where the line is for the rain and snow. But as the day progresses, we will start to see temperatures fall. There's an Arctic front right behind this. Take a look at low temperatures overnight tonight, staying cold out west and in the Northern Plains. Pretty nice actually overnight for folks here in the Northeast, the Ohio Valley, across parts of Missouri as well. Not too shabby for late February. All right, let's see what NOAA has in store here for the next 3 days. Well, it's a giant mess. Rain, snow, sleet, heavy snow across most of the United States. Chicago, Detroit, you guys are going to be the ones that see potentially a big snow for you guys for the first time this year, and I'll show you why I'm saying this. That shaded box of heavy snow in Detroit, there you go. That's where the heaviest of the snow is going to be in this system on Wednesday, tomorrow. Believe it or not, we are looking at the possibility of a storm max of 16 inches in parts. So there is a very narrow swath of snow that could run through the Detroit metro area. And some are saying we are expecting at least a foot for you folks out there in Detroit, Michigan. So here's your big snowstorm. I know it's been kind of a off and on situation, but this right here might deliver for you guys. And then on Thursday, all the snow moves up to the northeast, the heaviest being off of Lake Ontario. And also Maine will be dealing with a lot of heavy snow. In fact, the entire state of Maine could be just a big snow mess, actually. Toronto is snow. Parts of Ohio, Cleveland, Erie, PA, and Buffalo, New York also expecting snow. Spotty snow showers across North Dakota and South Dakota on Friday. We can't rule out some snow showers in Montana and Wyoming as well by Friday. All right, let's take a look at our handy dandy tropical tidbits here, the GFS forecast. And as we can see right now, we've got mainly rain just in the south and in the Midwest. Snow back in the Dakotas behind it. That will drop south, connect with this system that's moving through here on Wednesday the 26th. We start to see more snow than rain. Parts of Indiana, Illinois, and Michigan starting their trek here as far as the heavy snow falls. And as we move into Thursday, well, it really just depends on where this storm lines up. Now, the GFS, to me, is not reflecting this 12 to 16 inches of snow across the region. But this is going to be a consistent snow. So starting Wednesday, maybe even Tuesday night, we will start, actually it's going to be early Wednesday morning. We will start to see the snow fly through the night and then the day on Wednesday and most of the day Thursday in the morning. So that storm finally wraps up for Detroit. It's a 24-hour event. And like I said, the storm max for that is going to be in the 16-inch range. But GFS might be a little low on that one. So I can say this. This is going to be a decent enough event. Expect 6 to 10. And that would be the safe bet. It could be more. And as this storm revs up here by Thursday, western New York is going to get pummeled. Same with western Pennsylvania as well. Heavy snow in the forecast by Thursday. As cold air, this is going to be a little concerning. About noon on Thursday, snow could pick up across the state of New York. Heavy snow across New York. So the capital region, the upstate region. Heavy rain to the east of that. And as we move through Thursday, that snow will lift up. So Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, definitely seeing some snow out of this. New York, some lingering snow once the heaviest stuff moves out on Friday. That's basically due to that cold air front that's moving through. across those Great Lakes, giving us some lake effect snows, especially if you live in Buffalo, Syracuse. You guys are definitely going to see the most out of this lake effect. Erie, PA also could see some significant lake effect snow showers. And then that storm's gone, and we really don't see nothing much until, well, we get a quick little clipper here on the 3rd, and then March 6th into March 7th is when we're going to see the next big system. Look at that, right over the Mississippi. We're already dealing with lots of floods in the Delta, and maybe Mari and I will come up with a little bit of report for that, because that's important this year. 2 years in a row, almost the same exact month, we are dealing with heavy flooding. And this snow system here on March 5th through the 6th, again, Chicago, Detroit, Ohio, another chance for some late season snow showers as this moves through the Northeast. And this one's not going to be as significant for the Northeast. Maine, we might see 3 to 5, maybe 6 inches in isolated areas. Across the state of New York, we're talking 1 to 3 inches at this time. Cold air will be in place, but the moisture is just not going to be there with this particular system. And then another system moves in on the 8th through the Midwest, again, the Ohio Valley, the Great Lakes, into the Northeast. Another batch of light snow possible March 9th, another 1 to 3 inches as well. And then we've got rain in the south once again, creeping across from west to east, from Texas all the way. It looks like it's going to be to South Carolina, and that is the middle of March. Also, if you take a look, there's a lot of red lines in here, and it's an indication that there's going to be select areas from March 12th and beyond that will be cold. And I'm talking the Northeast, the upper Great Lakes, possibly in the northern plains. But right now, it looks like upstate New York and eastward are going to be the ones that hold on to winter just for a few more days, as spring is definitely trying to make its appearance, guys. All right, that's going to do it for us this morning. We hope everyone has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning live with another Grand Solar Minimum update. Until then, have a great day, and we will talk soon.
Do you like this show? Give us a thumbs up. Want to support us more? Share to your favorite social media platform, buy a t-shirt, or become a Patreon. All links are in the description below.